What up, everybody? Today we're going to be taking this MBRP 3-inch catback race exhaust and we're putting it on my Hellcat. And as you can see, it's had its time. It's a stock system that's had the mufflers and the resonators cut out of them. Sounds good, however, you know, driving on the highway, it just doesn't sound right. When it's wide open throttle, it sounds fine, but you know, I want something that sounds a little bit better. And you know, to be honest with you, it's not leveled and straight cut. You know, the guys that did the welding for me, they did an okay job, but as you can see, I got a little bit of damage onto the body from the heat and stuff like that. So just want to, you know, get that out of the way. And you know, I think this exhaust is going to be a good addition. Well, all in all, it took me about 2 hours. Started at 6, it's now 8 p.m. Going from front to back. All you do is just tighten everything up. The hardware is nice and easy to work with. One thing I do want to make note of is that on this side with the diff, you got to make a little bit of room for clearance. So, you know, just put a finger in there and then tighten down the clamps when you're done. Then now it's time for first start. But yeah, it's looking real good compared to the stock system. But it's got a good note to it. I'm gonna go take it for a drive. Very happy with the results after our first drive. I'll do a wide open throttle pull soon. I'll do it at the track so that you guys can hear it in full. But other than that, man, easy install. It was a lot of fun. The exhaust is definitely doing its thing.